Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and confirming which pages change. Choose Layout, then Orientation, pick Portrait or Landscape depending on your goal. If you need just part changed, insert section breaks first. Next page works best, so Word treats regions separately. Once done, apply orientation to the active section. Make sure headers, footers, and margins are reviewed because changing orientation shifts layout. This early precision saves rework later and keeps images and tables from shifting unexpectedly. Now focus on how content adapts to the new orientation. You must insert section breaks around the area you want to change, otherwise the whole document flips. Once the section exists, switch orientation for that section, then resize images, tables, and text boxes so they don't overflow. Make sure margins suit the layout and adjust under layout margins. Change to custom if necessary. Also check paragraph spacing and line breaks. Reflow often alters pagination, so rake through affected pages. To finish, review each section's headers and footers. Unlink them when they must differ, so page numbers and titles stay correct. Use Print Preview to confirm pagination and ensure no orphan lines or clipped objects remain. If something moved unexpectedly, undo, then tweak section breaks or change object wrapping to square or tight as needed. That usually fixes flow issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if orientation won't apply, show formatting marks and remove hidden section breaks. Hidden breaks often prevent orientation changes from taking effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.